Good afternoon, everyone. I'm checking in here with a pretty cool update. So for those of you out there that have products or a large catalog, I'm sure you've always wondered, how can you track your repeat purchases? So in the past, what our team has suggested doing is downloading your customer list, and you're able to compare those different lists from different times. Now, obviously that's super time consuming, and at the end of the day, not as accurate as it could be, right? So what's really exciting is that Amazon has come out with a tool that is going to help you track your repeat customers that you're having on Amazon. So where this is located is it's actually located in the brand analytics tab. So for those of you that don't know where brand analytics is, it is located underneath the reports tab within Seller Central. Now, you have to be brand registered in order to access brand analytics. So if you're not brand registered, highly recommend that you do that so that you have access to data like this. Now, brand analytics has a ton of different data. There's something like market basket analysis. You're able to do keyword research using that. There's so many different things that are available where you can essentially learn a lot about your customers. You can learn a lot about your catalog. There's just so much information. It's just incredibly valuable. So if you have not just checked out brand analytics in general, highly recommend you do so. But for those of you that have been in brand analytics, there is a new addition. And again, it's called Repeat Purchase Behavior Report. So essentially what this is looking at is it's tracking your orders and telling you what percentage of those orders are repeat purchases. Now, this is incredibly exciting just because honestly, there's a lot you can learn from repeat purchases. You know, you can see, how is that product doing? Is it a repeat product? Maybe you didn't know that. You're able to see, are you able to bring customers back? Are those customers that have purchased from you in the past, are they purchasing more products from your catalog? So you're able to see, is your catalog working well with, you know, just in general with each other, right? Are those products working well with each other? You're really able to see what your true cost per acquisition is, your CPA. What does that look like? And then obviously you're able to adjust your advertising, your PPC ads, right? Using sponsored brands, you're able to see new to brand customers. You're able to adjust those based on your cost per acquisition, just seeing, okay, how much should I put towards these ads that are bringing in new customers, right? Are those new customers going to stick around a long time? You're really able to gauge that a little bit better using this report. This report can also help you see, how can I expand my catalog, right? So maybe there is a group of products within your catalog that is bringing in more repeat products. So maybe you can focus on those actual products in your catalog and expand on those, because now you're seeing those are bringing in more customers. They're getting more repeat purchases. So repeat purchase is honestly an incredible thing that you want to be accomplishing. You want tons of repeat purchases because that's, you know, quite honestly, that's just repeat business, which is just for the bottom line, incredible for a business, right? You guys already know that. So focusing on repeat purchases is incredibly beneficial. So just make sure you check out that report. Again, it's located in your brand analytics tab underneath reports. That's all I've got for you. Make sure you check that out and let us know what you find.